river is calling my name. Can you hear it? Twice. I tried to run, I tried to hide, but the spirit is burning inside. They told me to sleep, but I am awake. This is a journey only I can take. White beads on my neck, snuff on the floor. I am not asking anymore. Twice calling, the drum is heavy. Twice calling, my spirit it is ready. Kneel down, respect the ground. Long ululation. Kamaku. Siyavuma. Yabogo.